I went to jail, would you even come and bail me? OT on the scale, when I walk through you can smell me. You ain't talking money, then I don't want you to tell.
What is up, Z-Force? What's good? It's RAZZAQ here, and I'm back with another one. As y'all already know, today's video is a very special video. It's my 2-year dreadlock anniversary, and bro, it's crazy just to think about it now that it's been 2 years since I started these dreads. I don't know, a lot of things have changed in that time. But can you see this? Like, this is crazy. Our hair is just freaking caterpillars and an inch long, and now this shit is sitting on my shoulders. Like, it's been 2 years. We're gonna talk about what I'm doing now, talk about the growth, talk about the journey, talk about the hardships, show you guys all the hair, everything, and then you know, we gonna get out of here. But before that, run intro.
Fucking your bitch and I tell her to leave. Damn, I got these bitches on me. Damn, fucking your bitch for free. Damn, chains on my neck, I feel like it's vicious. Damn, these niggas be loving these.
Alright, right now I'm just finna have a bunch of pictures and videos on the screen of my dreads throughout, you know, the time and throughout my journey and whatnot. Basically, man, as y'all can see, bro, we really started from nothing. From nothing, to say the least. We had nothing on our head. I had like little caterpillars in my head. My hair was less than like 3 inches long, to be honest. Like, I'm pretty sure I was saying it was 3 inches, but you know, I was probably capping. As y'all know, I was just very excited to start my dreadlock journey. I had been trying to get curls for the longest time, but it wasn't working. So I said, hey man, let me go ahead and get these locks. I've been wanting locks since I was a little kid, but you know, I just never got them because parents and all that. But I was just like, you know, it's time for me to get some locks. As y'all may or may not know, my sister also has dreadlocks, and she started hers using the 2-strand twist method. So I figured that would be the best method for me to take as well. So that's exactly what I did. And I went and started my dreadlocks from 2-strand twists. I did them myself, retwisted it myself. I was so proud, so happy. It was very exciting for me because, you know, like I said, I wanted dreads forever, and I finally got them. And just over time, as you know, as you can see, like, things change, things rearrange, your hair grows, it gets matted, it becomes mature. You go through the ugly stages, you go through the stages where your hair is not growing, you go through the stages where you're like, damn bro, like, will this ever be live? And it's like, to be honest, like, it's still so beautiful in itself, just because of how you can see your hair changing and just like your confidence change with it as well. Like, I would definitely say that dreadlocks has made me a lot more confident. But you feel me? Yeah. All I can say is that I'm really happy that I got dreads. And as I can see, it's been such a long journey. So much development has happened. And now it's just growing like crazy. Like, it's actually down to my shoulders now. And I was like, I never even thought that I would get it this long. Like, I always thought that once it got to my shoulders, I would just cut it. And as y'all can see, it's at my shoulders, and I'm not even worried about cutting it, man. I'm not worried about cutting it anytime soon. This time next year, it should be like right here, huh? Mark my words in the video for 3 years, bro. Whew. It's gonna be somewhere around right here. It's gonna be real nice, bro. I'm too hyped, but bro, we already at 2 years. This is probably like the best I feel like my hair looks like ever. Just like, this is definitely my favorite stage of the journey, is what I'm trying to say. As far as maintenance and as far as what I'm doing with my hair right now, not much has changed at all. I still don't do much to my hair, and as y'all know, I'm always a fan of the low maintenance. You shouldn't have to do too much to make sure your dreads look good, so don't do too much, and your dreads will look good. All I do is spray my hair with water, and I put a little wild grow oil in there every once in a while. So of course, you know, I wash it. I just recently started conditioning my hair because, you know, as you can see, I got the dye. I did a lot of dyeing in this year. I need to get some moisture, some health back into my hair, so I started conditioning my hair every once in a while. That's just what I've been doing. Nothing too crazy. If you want the oil that I use, I got it linked in the description. Go ahead and check it out. The shampoo that I use is a biotin shampoo. If you want the conditioner I use, is also in the description. But this is my 2-year update, man. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. You know, I'm not trying to get over here and talk to y'all for way too long, and everybody's real busy, and I was just really excited and really happy that I made it to this 2-year mark in my journey, and it's just like so crazy. I want to thank you guys. I want to thank everybody who's been here to support me along the way. Any YouTubers who showed me love, all my supporters, and you know, just anybody who's helped me, appreciate it a lot. We just going up from here. You know, we about to hit 6,000 subscribers, and that's just crazy to think that 6 6,000 people watch my content. But that's, I don't know, bro. I just want to thank y'all for sure. Y'all boys stay safe. More content on the way. You know, we're changing it up in 2021. Make sure you comment which stage of my dreads was your favorite. And without any further ado, man, I'm gonna get up out of here. I just want to say thank you guys so much for just being along with me on this journey, bro. Y'all have literally seen me like grow up. Like, if you go back to the first video on my channel, I was just a kid, bro. Like, I was literally in high school and I was just making YouTube videos because I wanted to be a YouTuber. And now, like, I don't know, it just feels like that dream is really coming true. I feel like after we post this video, I should be at like 6,000, which is like, that shit is ridiculous to me, bro. I remember I was in high school and niggas were laughing at me for making a 25 subscriber thank you video, and I was just like, hey man, when I get big, it's gonna be all worth it. And we on the way there, bro. We not big yet, but it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. 2021 is our year, bro. I tell y'all this every time. But new videos coming soon. Got a new one coming. I got y'all with a new video this week too. I'm gonna make a little promise, you feel me? But without any further ado, bro, make sure you like, make sure you comment. I'm gonna have my old dread update videos, my starter videos, my dread tip videos, all linked in the description. Probably put some on the screen and whatnot too. So if you want to check any of those out, you know where to find them. Young Razzie, and I'm out of here. A lot of y'all niggas clicked off. They're not here right now. A lot of niggas are not here right now. A lot of niggas already left the video. So if you here, I'm gonna show you a little bit of like unreleased music, you feel me? Like, Young Annie been rapping a little bit, but I kind of suck, but I kind of don't. So I'm gonna put that out right now. Y'all let me know what you think of it in the comments. If you want to hear some more, DM me and I got you.
Wouldn't let me hit a year ago and now she tryna stay. My ex back in my phone, I guess she realized I can't be replaced. She said she had a man, then why the fuck you all up in my face? You told me wishy-washy, I still broke her back like it's a play. But anyways, like I was saying, I could never stay the same. The me you knew a year ago was not the same one as today. I went to college for the hoes and ended up finding my way. I hit the trap with all my brothers and realized it ain't the phase. All this money coming in can never really be sustained. If I keep looking over shoulder, I think I'ma go insane. Oh, I got back to YouTube and I ran up a couple of K. I thought I found a wifey, it turns out that she was just the same. I heard my nigga if he rapping, I said I should do the same.
If he's so mean, I'm just trying to stack you busy and I could never get enough. Walking around like he the shit, but I just call that nigga bluff. Popping bottles, please excuse me, I'm too busy turning up. Wipe my sweat off with blue hunters, I've been busy running up. And you know that I've been trapping, wrap the work up, ship it off. And she still got all them clothes on, I just